The outer part is playing the drums up top, and the inner smaller one is sending pitches.
So tell us who you are and what you've built.
I'm Carson. I built these as 2 oscillators and a filter. The filter is a diode ladder filter. It's based on the one that Moritz Klein does.
Oh yeah.
But his is a 3-pole. This is a 4-pole.
This is just time.
Also, I added instability, also VCAs on both the inputs.
Oh, I love it. You actually have a knob called instability.
Yeah.
And what's this one?
These are both oscillators. They're based on the new oscillator chip that SSI makes.
Yeah.
And yeah, they both
2130?
Yeah.
2130.
Yeah, and it's they both have to do the 3-0 FM thing. And I have these are ratio switches like an FM synth track. So instead of octaves, you get ratios.
Like you could have pattern.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah, happy to answer any questions. I know they're
Tell us who you are and what you got here.
My name is France. Instagram is Analogzilla. I have a lot of analog-based synthesizers, and I also use like VHS and kind of vintage-esque video mixers to kind of create feedback and just kind of affect an image for visuals, shows, or just for fun.
Wow. So make it do something cool.
Okay, so I put in this VHS, which is like a workout VHS. But what is fun is we can go over to that source, which is we go to 3, and we do like a mirror effect, and then we can kind of colorize it.
I just thought it was kind of funny how it exploded.
Take the chroma, have fun like that. Also go back to 2, get some stuff in the background. It's not as dramatic, but it's kind of subtle. Yeah,